Unlocking teamwork. The power of pitching in with help. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about teamwork and collaboration. Pitch in with help. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also equip you with the linguistic tools to express solidarity and cooperative spirit in English. Let's dive in and explore how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations and writings. At its core, to pitch in means to contribute or offer assistance towards a common goal or task. It's about joining others in an effort, sharing the workload, and adding your support. When we say, pitch in with help, we're emphasizing the aspect of providing assistance. It's a call to action, encouraging individuals to step forward and lend their skills, time, or resources to aid in a particular situation or project. This phrase embodies the spirit of teamwork and community. It's commonly used in both professional settings and personal life. For example, in a workplace, colleagues might pitch in with help to meet a tight deadline. In a family or among friends, it might mean helping out with preparations for a special event or supporting someone during challenging times. To truly grasp the essence of this phrase, let's look at some practical examples. 1. In a community project, our local park is organizing a cleanup day this weekend. It's a great opportunity for us all to pitch in with help and make our neighborhood a cleaner, greener place. 2. During group assignments, we have a big project due next week. If everyone can pitch in with help, we can divide the tasks efficiently and ensure a successful presentation. 3. In family gatherings, the family reunion is coming up. Let's all pitch in with help to organize the event, from cooking and decorating to planning the games. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to encourage collaboration and support. Pitching in with help goes beyond mere assistance. It fosters a sense of belonging and community. It highlights the importance of working together and shows that many hands make light work. This phrase is a powerful reminder that we are stronger together, and by contributing our part, we can achieve greater things. In language learning, understanding and using phrases like this can significantly enhance your communication skills. It allows you to express complex ideas about cooperation and social interaction, making your speech more nuanced and your writing more compelling. We hope this exploration of pitching in with help has illuminated its meaning and importance in both language and life. This phrase is a testament to the power of collaboration and the difference we can make when we come together to support each other. We encourage you to start using it in your conversations and see how it enriches your interactions and relationships. Thank you for joining us in today's journey through the English language. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new avenues of expression and understanding. Keep practicing, keep learning, and, most importantly, keep pitching in with help in your communities and circles. Until next time, happy learning!